Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to create YouTube banner for free. Get ready to learn some valuable tips and tricks that will help your YouTube channel looks better with perfect banner. Let's get started. Before we begin, you'll need to sign up for a free Canva account if you don't already have one. Once you've signed up, let's get started. Step 1. Choose a canvas size. The first thing you'll need to do is choose a canvas size for your banner. Canva offers a variety of sizes to choose from, including the standard YouTube banner size of 2560 by 1440 pixels. Simply select the size that best fits your needs from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Choose a template or add your own background image. Next, you can either choose a pre-made template from Canva's library or add your own background image. To choose a template, click on the Templates tab in the side panel and browse through the available options. To add your own image, click on the Uploads tab and select the image you want to use. Step 3. Add logos or your own photos and text. Now it's time to add some logos or photos and text to your banner. You can either upload your own images or logos or select ones from Canva's library of over 1 million professional stock images. Simply click on the Uploads tab in the side panel and select the image you want to use. Canva also has a wide range of fonts and text styles to choose from, so you can get creative and make your banner stand out. To add text, simply click on the Text tab in the side panel and select the type of text you want to use. Then, click on the canvas and type your text. You can also just use the text already applied on the template and just simply edit it to match with your own channel. Step 4. Adjust your design elements. Once you've added your background image, text, and logos, you can use Canva's design tools to adjust the size, position, and color of your elements. Simply click on the element you want to adjust and use the handles to resize it, or drag it to a new position on the canvas. Step 5. Save and download your banner. Finally, it's time to save and download your banner. To save your banner, simply click on the Share button in the top menu. To download it, click on the Download button and select the file format you want to use. I suggested to use PNG format to get the best result. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've created a professional-looking banner using Canva. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.